Volvo Car India has announced that it will start assembling the new generation XC60 at its facility in Bengaluru by September this year. It was in late 2017 that the company first started assembling the XC90 and followed that up by starting to assemble the S90 sedan. The XC60 has been a really successful car for the company, and ever since its launch in late 2017, it has contributed to 25% of the overall sales. Currently, the Volvo XC60 is priced at 57,90,000 rupees, and once it's assembled, we don't expect any change in those prices. Hero MotoCorp has revised prices of its scooters and motorcycles across the product range with immediate effect. The upward revision has been done to partially offset the consistently rising input costs, including the prices of commodities and currency depreciation as well. Hero has not specified the new revised prices for its two-wheeler models, but it said that costs will increase by up to 500 rupees on the ex-showroom rates. Ever since Brexit was announced, Jaguar and Land Rover, owned by India's Tata Motors, has faced uncertainties over its investment and jobs in the UK. Jaguar Land Rover has asked the British government to provide clarity and free access to the automotive market of the European Union in order to run smoothly. Jaguar Land Rover stands to lose up to £1.2 billion every year should the transition negotiations between the UK and EU go bad. Also, Jaguar Land Rover employs 40,000 people in Britain, and if the negotiations falter, these employees could possibly lose their jobs. Therefore, as a backup plan, Jaguar Land Rover might move its operations out of the UK after Brexit is complete. The company is working with the government to get the transition right and avoid the losses to a great extent, if not completely.
If you like this video and you like what we do, well, you've got to simply subscribe to our channel. We'll keep things simple, yet comprehensive.